This Wallace Real Estate property video is presented by Lisa Campbell. Professional photos coming soon. Welcome home to your all-brick, low-maintenance, full unfinished heated/cooled basement ranch-style home, on 0.54 level acre, brand new carpet just installed, beautiful tile in all wood areas, aluminum 6 inches seamless guttering and Threx 4 downspouts equals 2 year, Trane HVAC equals 5 year, dimensional shingle roof equals 10 year, kitchen with Kraft Maid oak cabinetry, spacious pantry, and all appliances to remain, breakfast area with bay window and lots of natural light, open living/dining area with door leading to nice back deck. Sit back, relax, and enjoy your morning coffee, primary suite with half bath, separate laundry room, garage area on lower level, covered front porch, large fantastic concrete patio/parking. Talk about convenience: less than 5 minutes to I-40 and all area shopping, 10 to 15 minutes to Turkey Creek and Farragut. Make this your new peaceful place to call home. For more information